Hey guys, hope you all are okay and doing amazing cooking. Today I'm going to make very delicious stuffed bitter melon. So let's start. First peel them and then apply salt. Cover them and let it rest for 2 hours. Karela is well rested. Let's proceed towards deep frying. Fry them all until golden brown. Now it's fried, so take it out on a kitchen paper. This will help Karela to leave the excess oil. Bitter melons are nicely fried, so now keep it aside and we'll start towards a special masala tadka. We'll be needing turmeric, amchur, red chili, salt, fennel, garam masala and sugar. Here I'm taking 1 kg of onion because I'm making onion masala. Some ginger garlic paste. Now all the ingredients are ready. So take a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil in it and add fennel. Once the fennel gets fragrant, add onion and ginger garlic paste. Give it a nice stir. We have to cook the tadka until the onion gets golden brown and the oil gets separated. Now add salt, red chili, amchur, that's that dry mango powder, turmeric powder, garam masala and sugar. Now mix it well. We have to cook the tadka for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. Once the tadka is ready, keep it aside, let it cool down, and we'll start now stuffing the Karela. So now let's start my favorite part of the recipe, stuffing Karelas. I'm taking 1 bitter melon. With the help of spoon, let's fill the masala in it. Fill it nicely and just press a little from the sides so that masala doesn't come out. Wow, lovely. The taste of this bitter melon will be sweet and sour, just perfectly khata meetha, and this is ready to serve.